How to fix Discord login error. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Discord login error. In order to fix Discord login error, you could start by checking that your email and a password or your credentials are correct. First thing first, you want to check that out. Next, if their information seems to be valid enough and you're still unable to log in, it could be due to any sort of VPN or extension that you have installed on your device. So you might want to make sure to disable that, and at the same time go to settings. Go ahead and check your internet and network as well, as it could be due to your poor connectivity as well. Now moving on, you also want to go to apps from the list while you're on the settings page. Go to Discord and make sure that the permissions, make sure that the storage is tabbed, and you could just simply go ahead and clear cache. That should also be able to help. If none of these steps work, you can reinstall Discord at the same time, restart your device, and that should also be able to help you out. So with that being said, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.